Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's try this protein-rich Soya Seekh Kebab. So into a large bowl add some soya granules, soak it with some hot water and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take it out, squeeze it nicely and add it into a blender. Now blend this soya granules. You also need to blend some onion, ginger, garlic and some chilies. Here I have used bird's eye chili, which is great to use during the summer. Now take all this mixture into a large bowl. Also add in some spices like coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, some turmeric, and mix everything really well. Don't forget to add some salt in this mixture. Once all the spices have well mixed into the soya, add in some cornstarch and all-purpose flour. Now instead of this, you can add ground flour for the binding. Once everything is well mixed in, let's shape the Seekh Kebabs. Here I've used a straw to shape the kebab. So take a cleaned straw, place the mixture around the straw and press it down nicely. If the shape is not forming properly, you can dip your hands in some water and shape it. Now instead of straw, you can also use a skewer. After shaping the kebab, carefully remove it from the straw and it's ready for frying. So heat a pan, add some oil and slowly place each kebabs into the oil. You can also deep fry it, but here I prefer to shallow fry these kebabs. Flip these kebabs on every 2 to 3 minutes and cook this properly from all the sides. Once it gets nicely fried, take it out from the pan. So here it is, our vegetarian Seekh Kebab is ready. So definitely try this protein-rich, amazing tasty Soya Seekh Kebab. I've also uploaded mutton Seekh Kebab recipe in my channel. So if you want, you can check the description for the recipe link. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.